Hey there, and welcome to the Focus to Grow community. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment below to help the algorithm, and check out all the linked tools in the description. Everything you need is already there. Now, imagine generating millions of views every single day using free AI tools to create viral videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and more. Sounds unreal? It's not. Let me show you exactly how thousands are already doing it and how you can too, step by step.
Nice.
This strategy is simple, scalable, and beginner-friendly. It's all about using AI-generated videos with a clear structure and emotional hooks that grab attention and go viral across platforms. Here's how it works. First, you create stunning images using Leonardo AI. Then, you use ChatGPT to craft smart prompts and scripts. Next, you turn those images into motion videos using Halo AI. And finally, you edit and polish your content in CapCut, all for free. Once you've created your video, don't just upload it on YouTube. Share it across multiple platforms: Instagram Reels, TikTok, Pinterest, Snapchat, even Facebook Shorts. More platforms means more reach, and more reach means more views. The tools I just mentioned? You can use them completely free with daily limits. And if you want to scale further, here's the trick. Simply create multiple Gmail accounts to generate more free tokens. Or if you're ready to level up, you can grab a paid upgrade for even more capacity. This allows you to produce dozens of videos every single day without spending a cent, unless you choose to. And remember, creativity is key. Don't just copy the sample videos. Use them as a base, but add your own twist. Stand out. Don't blend in. Be unique and make your content yours. Quick pause. If this video is helping you so far, drop a like, share it with a friend, and most importantly, join our community on Telegram and Discord. You'll get free downloads, direct access to our team, support from like-minded creators, and the best part? It's 100% free. Now, why does this work so well? Because AI-generated content taps into curiosity, aesthetics, and emotion. You're combining the most advanced tools with the most engaging platforms, and it's all automated. This method gives you scroll-stopping visuals, viral storytelling hooks, and high-volume, low-effort content. It's perfect for anyone chasing money, reach, independence, and automated income streams. We're not here to work harder, we're here to work smarter. Build passive systems while others are still asleep. If you're just getting started, don't worry. The tools and the guide in the description will walk you through everything step by step. But the real magic happens when you join the community. In our Discord and Telegram groups, you'll find daily tips and tricks, free prompts and assets, people just like you, learning, sharing, and growing, and experienced creators happy to answer your questions. We're building something huge, a free learning space for anyone who wants to succeed with AI and content creation. So, are you ready to start creating viral videos with AI for free and turn your content into reach, revenue, and real independence? Then go to the description right now. Use the tools, follow the guide, and let your creativity flow. And most importantly, subscribe for more strategies, comment to help the video grow, and join the community to grow faster together. This is just the beginning. From all of us at Focus to Grow, we believe in you. Keep creating, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care of you and stay focused.